I have lived and I have loved, and I have had my failed romances, taken all that life can give, and taken my fair share of chances. I've known just how it is to win, and I have felt the pain of losing. Some paths I chose would end in tears, but they were all of my own choosing. It's been a good life, far from the high life, and I thank God that this was my life. Some days I prayed would never end, but there were days I felt like screaming. Through the darkness and the tears, nothing could ever stop my dreaming. It's been a good life, far from the high life, and I thank God that this was my life. I've known contentment in a lover's arms, and felt the warmth of her devotion, and I've known heartache and a dark despair that was as deep as any ocean. But we get the chance to carry on and build a life of our own making. I thank the Lord for each new day and for every breath that I am taking. Back on all the years, the loves, the sweetness and the sorrow, they've made me what I am today, and I'd do it all again tomorrow. It's been a good life, far from the high life, and I thank God that this was my life. We can't deny life, it flies by, life. And I thank God that this was my life.